Go ahead.
Looks like a... What's that kitchen game?
What? I think it's for all of you. You all get to play with it, right? Don't you think?
What's all this stuff?
The kitchen for me and the baby!
Oh my gosh!
So we can have like...
Oh my gosh!
Uh-oh.
What do we see?
I see a present.
What is it, macaroon?
But that's from Ray.
What is this? Like, put me down.
Dad! We put it in the hole.
Merry Christmas.
And this is how you put it back in. This is how you put it back in.
What you see, man?
Hey, I know how to get it out.
Actually, can I cross in front of you?
Whoa, wow.
Can we open the present?
Wait.
This is for me and the baby.
Oh, wow.
Go, Paisley.
We're riding each other ones. Y'all aren't riding the right ones.
I do that. She just grabbed it to the yellow and he grabbed it to the red.
This is for the front block.
What you see there, man? What you got?
Wow, really?
Hey, Jordan, will you turn the mirror on behind you?
Jack likes this thing. Look at his face.
Your hair.
That is good.
Can't quite reach the floor yet. We're close.
Put makeup on.
Keep it out there, the small one.
Come here.
Go fast.
Turn this on. Come here. Come here. Matt, come here.
Hey, put a bracelet on.
Hey, turn it on. Right here.
Papa.
Matt!
Oh, baby's coming. Okay.
This side is
Right here. Look.
okay. I'm ready because I got my bracelet.
Yes, you do. Oh, thank you, Lily.
Go, Paisley.
Yeah, buddy, here you go. Come here. Good, buddy.
Same thing did drink college milk.
What's in the kitchen?
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Drink.
Matt.
Good
Morning.
morning.
Drink
Merry
college
Christmas.
milk.
Merry Christmas to you.
Lily.
Uncle Jeff, good morning.
Look at Jeff got Paisley in his face early this morning. I decided rather than bring her down here, we'd go in there and wake him up.
Papa, look. Same thing did drink college milk.
Really? Okay.
You want some more?
I bet you can drink some of that.
All right, hold on. Let's see.
There he goes, Paisley.
Hey, Papa.
Oh my goodness.
What is he? Is this his? This is mine.
Yeah, but he wrote you a note on it.
Matt
You read it,
You
girl.
read it. Come here. What does this say?
Thank you for my cookies and I am full. I shared
Excuse me.
with my
Dasher
Dasher. Red
says
That's right. Crazy like that.
are practicing.
practicing first time obedience. Keep it up. Love Santa.
Do we have a napkin?
Oh my goodness.
How cool.
So good.
He knows we're working on first time obedience.
Hey,
What
Red
is first time
watches.
obedience? I don't know
Red
if I know
watches.
about that.
At school, I keep getting first time obedience, but I'm supposed
Wow,
to get
man.
one first time obedience.
Wow.
Meaning you're supposed to do things the first time you're asked,
Uh-huh.
and not people have to ask you more than once, right? At home, at school, and at yeah.
Everywhere.
Oh.
That's so cool. Red's been watching.
But he sure does. I hope he wanted a different place to stay then.
He did. Went back to the North
What's that
Pole.
blue thing over there?
The kitchen.
Lily Scott, open up a present. Pick one.
Thank you.
Da-
You have to ask who it is.
I know what this one's from.
Look at that blue thing. What's that blue thing over there?
This is Lily. Thank you, Paisy.
That's my kitchen. My kitchen.
No, it's everyone's kitchen. But it's only the kids' kitchen. Can I open my present?
I'm a
Is
kid.
that your present?
You
Got
may.
your name on it?
You may open it.
Batman has a- Oh my goodness. What is that?
I think it's off me.
Push that button right there.
Up here.
Yep.
This is rainbow.
There you go.
What is it?
Hi, Batman. Hi, buddy. Hi, baby.
What is it?
It's a play thing.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a
dishes.
It's a Barbie and me.
Y'all gotta put them back.
So I
not
can
take 'em
use
out.
my new Barbie. Look, it says Barbie and me.
But it means Barbie and me. Not you, me.
No, me.
Barbie and me.
Merry Christmas, Lily
This is
Scott.
mine.
Merry
Barbie
Christmas.
and me.
Paisley, take all of them.
What you coming, man?
Can I open another present?
They're liking that.
Can I get someone else to open their present?
Sure.
Okay, next.
Here, give out to Ashley.